Welcome to ExperTrain's Microsoft Excel Introduction course. Whether you're a beginner or simply looking to refresh your knowledge, this course will guide you through the essentials of Excel. In just one day, you'll gain the confidence to work with spreadsheets, helping you increase your productivity at work or home. The aim of this course is to introduce you to the fundamental concepts of Microsoft Excel. By the end of the session, you'll have a strong understanding of how to navigate the Excel interface, create and manage spreadsheets, and use basic formulas and functions effectively. This course is designed for complete beginners or those with minimal experience in Excel. No prior knowledge of Microsoft Excel is required, although attendees should have experience using the Windows environment, including starting applications and opening, saving, and closing files. By the end of this course, you will be able to confidently navigate the Excel interface. Create, save, and format spreadsheets. Use basic formulas and functions, such as sum and average. Create and edit charts, as well as sort and filter data. This course is available on regular public scheduled dates and is delivered virtually using Microsoft Teams, allowing you to attend from the comfort of your home or office. If you have multiple staff members who would like to attend, we can also arrange a private group course, either virtually or in person at your location. Our trainers are based in the UK, and our standard course timings are 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. However, we can adjust these timings for private group courses, which can be especially beneficial for those joining from overseas. A full list of topics covered on this course can be found on our website. If you would like any further information regarding this course or to make a booking, please email inquiries at expertrain.co.uk. ExperTrain, your pathway to excellence in IT and professional development.